5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Ignition.
Hi, I'm Thomas with IMPLS Launch Systems. I'd like to show you our sport rack. This is very compact, easy to carry. I'm going to show you how to set it up. There's a little cable tie here. That's the first set of legs that come out. First out, last in. Fold the legs in place. And there's the sport rack. You'll see numbered positions 1 through 5. One end is for the lever. It's got a hole in it. The opposite end at pad 5 here is where you open it up. You can dump out your launch rods and standoffs. This system comes with 7 launch rods, 5 1/8 and 2 3/16. Handy little lever here. Feed that in on the right side. This allows you to adjust your angle for your launch setup. Going to attach rods. All right. This product doesn't come with standoffs. The good news is the perfect standoff to fit inside the storage and for your standoff for your rockets is a spent D motor. All right, so I've mounted up 4 1/8" and 1 3/16" rod. I'm going to put the unused rods back inside. And that's the Sport Launch Rack. Fiber launch controller that's bundled with the Sport Launch Rack. Nice neat container. Everything in one place. This is the power pack option. We think this battery is a really good power source on the field for your rocket launch. It'll run for many hours launching rockets. This is the controller or pad spool for the launch controller. The cable that's used to connect to the console, which I'll show you in just a minute, is neatly wound onto this controller spool. This is a 50-foot standard Ethernet cable. Inexpensive to replace should it ever break. And here are our launch leads neatly bundled. So it's a snag-free jacket for your launch leads. Okay, power connector. I'm going to plug in the power pack. All right, and this system is designed so that there's a channel for your launch leads to keep them in order when you're set up to launch rockets. Feed the leads into the channel, drop them out one at a time. Nice and neat. for 5 launch positions. Okay, and at this point, before you've even hooked up the controller, you can short one or more sets of these leads, clip the clips together. Check your continuity. All right, and then the next step is to hook up the console, launch console, up to 50 feet away. Arm safe switch, launch button, safety key. Local continuity beeper so you can hear it loud and clear. I shorted pad 1, continuity is good. Pad 3, continuity is good. Okay, now from the controller, let's say you've just loaded up all your rockets, ready to launch. We're going to flip this to arm. Now, here's an important point. If the launch control officer forgot to safe the controller and you're downfield and you flip to arm, this siren lets you know that, hey, somebody hasn't done their job. We need to disarm. So you call back to the LCO, set it to safe, please, ready to arm. And then the LCO checks continuity. In order to select a pad for launch, they flip that button up. So let's say we're launching 1 and 3. Call out the launch and the rockets. System to arm. Single push of this button will launch both pads 1 and 3. So you can launch anywhere from 1 rocket up to 5 rockets with a single launch button. That's our fiber controller bundled with our sport launch rack. Thank you for watching.
IMPLS Launch Systems.